Where are you?
You only exist because I let you.
Nope.
Hello, Gordon Freeman. It's good to see you.
Nice rhyme.
I sneezed. Oh, I'm not allowed to.
Auf der Heide blüht ein kleines Blümchen.
That smile.
When you're cooking breakfast, you know, you gotta have all the essentials. This is the most important.
Whoever invented Quizlet needs to get their ass ate, for real. Don't look at me like that. I took your balls once and I'll do it again.
Do you know how to play Roblox? You do? Okay, well show us how it's done. Go ahead. It's your turn.
Simon. Thank you.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't believe I got this on video.
Who's a good boy?
Dinner.
He was standing on my shoulder and he was rubbing on my head. Do it again.
I'm sorry. You did this to yourself.
Sorry, mate. Sneak get past you. Thank you.
You want food?
He was biting too hard, so I hissed at him.
I just got this new face mask. I am one of you now.
He's sleeping right now. He looks dead. He's limp too. I've never seen a cat do this before, but just to prove that he's alive. Turbo! Turbo!
Stop fucking quacking, I swear to God. Stop it! Stop it!
That's a really good point, Diane. Thank you so much for bringing that up. Thank you.
What is this? Stop! What is...
Oh, okay. Sick.
do it again.
My God.
Testa. Boom.
You are my little boy. I love you so much. Stop trying to drink the ginger ale.
Yo, bro, can you tell me what this thing says? Genius.
I really need a pen right now. Thanks, dude. Happy birthday, dear Steven. Do it in the mirror because he looks pretty cute. Happy birthday to you.
Give me the paw. That's a good girl. Don't put your nails, it's gonna hurt.
Ow! Little Echo here is always shaking and always cold, so we're gonna make him a little sweater today. Take your old sock, cut off the toe and some little holes for his leg, and now you got yourself a styling kitten.
FaceTiming Grandma to tell her that I only got 8 treats today, but the bag says I can have 10.
Punch me. Oh my gosh, why did you do that? That hurt.
When Mum says there's biryani.
Why is it spicy?
Man, you ain't even had to do me like that, pimp. You ain't even had to do me like. Hey, this man just. I don't want to do this no more.
Can you stop? Why? Why do you do this? Are you comfortable? This doesn't look comfortable. Get out of here, please. Or not.
Full Metal Alchemist. Full Metal Alchemist.
This little nugget came up. She hugs.
Puma, get your ass up. I'm bothering you. I am.
So, sorry if this is the wrong time, but I need a shite.
Something we do not talk about enough is whenever a cat is trying to catch a bug and their owner is helping them and the cat like completely understands the assignment. I literally saw someone tossing their cat up to the ceiling and every time the cat knew to, grasp its paws once it got up to the ceiling. Like, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful example of teamwork and we don't talk enough about it.
That is so gross.
Good boy.
Mittens. You be nice. Mittens, Jesus Christ.
You guys, when the creature's feisty, this is all you have to do. grab it and kiss it. Mwah. Put it down and look, nothing.